Looking for a modern finish that transforms any surface? Mataya Coat Over Surface Microcement delivers a seamless, natural, contemporary look. Designed for versatility, it can be applied over tiles, walls, floors, and even furniture. Strong, adaptable, and beautifully textured, it achieves the perfect balance of performance and aesthetics. Create timeless spaces with depth, character, and refined texture, all in one system. Mataya Coat Over Surface Microcement. Redefine your finish.